I'm trying to upload my video. God damn. Of course.
Coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Lake in New Jersey until 6:45.
Alright, this is SMW.
5:14 p.m.
Alright. That took a while to tone.
Were located along a line extending from
Oh my gosh.
Point Pleasant Beach to Pine Beach.
God damn! KWO35 won't go off.
Wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source.
Highs in the mid-80s.
Oh, it's not, but it's 260.
Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally.
Alright, this is literal chaos.
Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Seacourt Reef, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Del Mar, Seaside Park, Manasquan Inlet, Pine Beach, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, La Valette, and Fort River. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Yo, what the hell?